Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I thought I would show you my new Sunday cleaning routine. So if you want to see what that looks like, please keep watching. Why I should ever let you go. So that was just a tour of my extremely messy kitchen. That is the aftermath of a weekend of us all being at home. So yeah, time to get this all straightened out. And I wanted to get a lot of the sides cleared off. When we first had our kitchen done, it was very minimal what was on the side, and then over time things have just been left. So you'll see me sorting out my cupboards, etc. So if this is the first time you've actually been onto my channel, then hello, my name is Emma. I really hope you'll check out some of my other videos and consider subscribing to our channel. And if you do like this video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. It really does help support my channel. I wouldn't know what to do. So this cupboard here that you see me sorting through, this has been on my to-do list for so long now, and I'm really happy that I got it done. I'm actually really lucky now with the amount of storage that I've got in this kitchen. Prior to us having the kitchen done, we had just plastic storage boxes everywhere because we had about 7 cupboards and that was it. So yeah, we've got so much storage now, but every cupboard I go into is completely full. So I'm gradually working my way through all of these end ones, which are kind of like bits and bobs. So I've cleared all of our recipe books into this cupboard. They were out on our side, and yeah, I'm just going through this box of complete and utter, I don't even know what was in there. I even found things like safety pins and paper clips, just completely random. So yeah, having a big sort out here.
Around your finger, tell me what you wanna do. I think we're part of something bigger, and now my mind is filled with you. Oh, you know, 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 oh, you know. Baby, without
And now that job's done, I'm just moving on to the side unit over here and just moving some bits and pieces around. I find this really helps where I have things usually in the same place, just by moving things around. Like I moved my blender just behind the biscuit tin, and it just made all the difference. So just subtle little changes can just change up an area. So I'm just wiping everything down and all of the cupboard doors. Usually I use Zaflora for that, and I've been using Springtime, but I really love the Flash Traditional collection, and I'm using the scent Natural French Soap. I cannot get enough of this stuff. So anything I'm spraying down, including my sink, is all using the Flash spray.
It's making me fall, trying to take a deep breath, but I just can't control my love.
And now moving on to our French doors. I was actually shocked at the state of these. I do tend to do them every couple of weeks or so, but they were really overdue. What with the rain we've had, Ollie and his completely grubby hands all the time, and the dog walking in and out. So I've wiped down all of the white PVC, and then I'm just giving the glass a good clean. They need doing outside as well, but that wasn't, I had so much to do this day, I just got the inside done.
I think I like it.
And then moving on to the job that needs doing every day, cleaning the hob. So nothing special about this. You've seen me do this in my other cleaning videos, but it just is so satisfying once it's done and you see the shine on the hob.
How can you move the way you do? It's making me crazy, yeah. You're moving just like you own the room. Make it look easy. I wanna take you away to somewhere we can be by ourselves. I see you.
And now I'm just moving over to the other side of the kitchen where the sink and the kettle is. So I'm just moving, there was just so much on all of these sides. I felt like I was moving one lot of mess and then dealing with another lot of mess. So yeah, it was a bit overwhelming to start with, but essentially what I'm doing is I'm just wiping all the sides down. I'm drying all the washing up bits there, putting that away, and then you'll see me move over to the other side of the worktop where the toaster and the kettle is.
Got nothing to lose. 'Cause I think I like you. Tell me if you like me all night long. Yeah, we dance with our razor tongues and all day long. Yeah, we reset under burning sun, catching the waves, inhale, exhale, reminiscing the bygone time. Laugh till we cry, days flying by, flying by. Love on delay, push play, let it roll and take you away. Love for a day, replay. We don't care about what they say, and I go on, nah, nah, and you go on, nah, nah. No love on a holiday. No love on a holiday. No love on a holiday. No love on a holiday.
So yeah, this is the other side of the kitchen. I'm just repeating what I did on the other side, just wiping all of the door fronts and the drawers down. The drawers that you see me come onto at the moment, the middle one is the treat drawer that Oliver in particular likes to go in and out of throughout the day. So I always find his little handprints on there. So I am forever cleaning these drawers and doors. As lovely as it looks when it's all clean, I do walk out here and think, oh, it's my dream kitchen. It is an absolute nightmare to keep clean.
And you go on, nah, nah.
And now I'm just giving the floor a quick hoover. It had already been done twice on this day already, so it wasn't a full hoover, and I don't steam today. I just use my Flash Power Mop just to mop up any spot stains on the floor. I'd actually steamed a couple of days before, so I go between the week. If I'm just spot cleaning, then I'll use the Flash Power Mop, but if I want to give it a deep clean, I'll use my steamer.
Love on delay, push play, let it roll and take you away. Love for the day, replay. We don't care about what they say, and I go on, nah, nah, and you go on, nah, nah. No love on a holiday. Yeah, no love on a holiday. Yeah, no love on a holiday. No love on a holiday. No love on a holiday.
And then moving on to my hallway. So basically we're waiting under our stairs. We've got just original It's the original door that was on there when we moved into the house 10 years ago that we've just painted, and it's great for storage, but it's really hard to get right to the back. So I'm trying to convince Tom, who is my husband, to build me some under-stair storage with like some slide-out drawers. So he's a carpenter and he does this for other people. It's part of his job. So I really want this. So Tom, if you're watching, that's next on your little list. And then I can get rid of those hideous shoe baskets that you've just seen me clearing through, that I go through every few days and take the shoes that need to go back upstairs, and then this is the result. You can see the stairs are completely filled. So yeah, the hallway is next on the list. We do need some more storage. So I really hope you've enjoyed this video this week. Essentially what I was trying to do, and the message I was trying to get across, is I've made a conscious effort on a Sunday to get a more in-depth clean done so that I'm all set up ready for the week ahead. I've still got Darcy and Ollie at home, so we're still homeschooling, and I was getting overwhelmed with what needed to be done with them and then looking around at all the jobs I needed to do. So yeah, I've made a really conscious effort to get a really in-depth clean done on a Sunday, so I'm good to go for the week ahead. So let me know in the comments below what your cleaning routine is at the moment. Has it changed at all? I'm probably really late to the party. I did start doing it on an evening, but I'm going to really try and keep up this getting it done on a Sunday. Yeah, so if you did like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and I hope you'll consider subscribing to our channel, and I'll see you in my next video on Friday. Bye everybody.